Hi, everyone, and welcome to this guide on how to change your password in QuickBooks Online. Regularly updating your password is one of the most important steps you can take to protect your financial data. First of all, go to quickbooks.intuit.com and click the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your login credentials to access your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're signed in, click on your profile icon and select Manage Your Intuit account. This will take you to your account settings. To proceed, you may be asked to re-enter your current password. This is a security measure to confirm your identity before making any changes. Inside the Sign In and Security tab, you'll find the option to change your password. Click it, and now you can create a new one. When creating a new password, make sure it's strong. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. This will make your account more secure and harder to guess. After entering your new password and confirming it, be sure to save the changes. QuickBooks will update your account immediately. Finally, remember to keep your new password safe and avoid using something that's easy to guess. Regularly changing your password is a simple but powerful way to protect your sensitive financial information. And that's it. You've successfully updated your password in QuickBooks Online.